Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download fonts. This is a lot easier than you think. All you have to go is to dafont.com and it'll come up with a list of all different types of fonts you can have. Then there's also categories that you can pick from. So I'm just going to pick medieval. And once you've found the font you like, you just have to scroll and go through the pages, and eventually when you find one you like, you just click download. Then a zip file will start downloading. This only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's done, you just open the zip file. And this zip file gave me lots of different types of the font, but I'm just going to pick the first one. When you open it, it'll tell you the font in all different sizes, so you can see what it looks like in size 12, 18, etc, etc. Then all you have to do is click install, and then it is done. To show you how it works, I'm just going to open a Word document. I'll type in Old London, the font I just installed, and I'll just type with it, and there you go. This is really easy, and there's lots of different fonts you can pick from, so give it a go, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.